Bigyan natin ng reaction, opinion itong article published sa Billionaire News Channel. Tungkol ito sa dahilan bakit hindi nagtagumpay yung tangkang kudita sa Senado. The title, Marcoleta's comeback bid, a deal breaker in failed Senate coup. The insistence of Senate Minority Leader Alan Peter Cayetano and his allies in the minority bloc on reinstalling Senator Rodante Marcoleta as chair of the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee emerged as the deal breaker that doomed Senator Loren Legarda's bid to become the first female Senate President, sources told Billionaire News Channel on Thursday. 3 Senate insiders said the aborted power grab led by Cayetano and Senator Amy Marcos faltered up after at least 5 members of the majority bloc withdrew support upon learning that Marcoleta would reassume leadership of the chamber's anti-graft panel. Billionaire News Channel earlier reported that at least 17 senators have signified support for a leadership change that would have unseated Senate President Vicente Soto III during Wednesday's plenary session and elevated Legarda as the 24-member chamber's first female president. Ito ang sabi ng source. Cayetano's group was actually able to convince allies of Soto to jump ship. They already have the numbers to elect Legarda as Senate President. Yan ang sabi ng source. But several of them withdrew when they were told that Marcoleta would regain the leadership of the Blue Ribbon Committee. They were uneasy given his previous stint as chair, the source said. That was really the deal breaker. According to another insider, the leadership maneuver intensified after a supposed draft initial report of the Senate Blue Ribbon Panel's inquiry into the multi-billion peso flood control racket surfaced on Tuesday night. In its draft report, the panel supposedly recommended the filing of plunder, malversation of funds, and other criminal charges against Senators Frances Escudero, Jingo Estrada, and Joel Villanueva, all members of the minority bloc. A second source said that Cayetano himself or other senators taking a central role in the investigative panel would have been more palatable to some senators. Sayang. But Cayetano already made it clear that he was not interested with the post. A third insider, a political affairs staffer of one of the senators, said Cayetano's group had expressed dissatisfaction with how the Blue Ribbon Panel current chair, Senate President Panfilo Lacson, was handling the inquiry into the flood control scandal. The source said some senators believe that Escudero, Estrada, and Villanueva were being treated unfairly right in their own house. The senators were also wary of potential political fallout since a leadership shake-up in the chamber would redirect the ongoing probe into the corruption scandal or alter its priorities. Okay, so ako, naniniwala ko sa mga sources ng Billionaire News dahil mula nung umupo itong administrasyong ito, ang dami nilang nalalaman na example lang. Nung unang upo si PBBM as president, siya yung agriculture secretary after more than 1 year. Dami ng reklamo. Ang Billionaire News ang scope si Walat na magre-resign na o hihinto na si PBBM as Agriculture Secretary at ang papalit si Teo Laurel. Ngayon, o yun, totoo. So, ang dami pa nilang mga mga ganitong scoop na nagkakatuto. So, yung Wednesday, talagang sigurado na napapalitan. Kaya lang, ito pala ang dahilan. Sayang, oh. Kung ayaw ng, so, 17 senators na, nakaready ng magsuporta kay Licarda. Nang dahil lang kay Senator Marcoleta na babalik na chairman, kaya yung 5 nag-withdraw. So, kung 5 nag-withdraw, 12 na naman. So, walang majority. Sayang, si Senator Cayetano na lang sanang kumuha ba na mag-chairman sa Blue Ribbon. So, kung tinanggap ni Senator Alan Peter Cayetano na siya ang magiging chairman sa Blue Ribbon, natuloy sana ang kudita. Pinilit nila si Marcoleta. Maraming ayaw kay Marcoleta. Oh, at least, muntikan na. So, ibig sabihin kung ganun, ito, analysis ko na lang ito, opinion ko. Anytime pala, pwedeng matuloy yung kudita kasi ang dahilan lang, Marcoleta lang eh. Kung sasabihin ni Senator Cayetano, or anybody, example, Senator Amy, or iba, okay, sige, payag na kami. Hindi na si Marcoleta ang magiging chairman ng Blue Ribbon. Ako na lang, sabi ni ni Cayetano. Baka yung 5 laban bawi, baka so to may pag-asa pa nga mapalitan si Senator Soto. So wag po tayong mawala na kasi Tommy wala akong personal na kay Senator Soto. Hindi ko lang gusto sa kanya yung nagmamagaling ba, yung kini-question niya yung decision ng Supreme Court, tapos gusto nilang ideklara na persona non grata ang Chinese diplomat, mga ganun, tapos charter change, wala na iba ng direksyon nila. So sana mapalitan ang liderato sa Senado sa lalong madaling panahon. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang income natin sa channel na ito is pantulong sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan.